In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your data from QuickBooks to Excel using Intuit's platform. This process is quite straightforward and will allow you to take full advantage of Excel's powerful data analytics and visualization tools. So let's dive right in and make sure you're comfortable with these steps. First, you're going to need to start by accessing QuickBooks Online. You can do this through any web browser by heading over to their official website and logging into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to it. This will be helpful as we navigate through the necessary options. Once you're logged in and ready, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here you'll find a gear icon, which is essentially your settings menu. Click on this settings icon. This is where all the different configurations and preferences for your account are tucked away, so whenever you need to tweak, adjust, or export your data, this is your go-to spot. After clicking on the settings menu, a drop-down menu will appear. In this drop-down, you'll see an option labeled Export Data. Go ahead and select this. This option is crucial because it begins the process of transferring your data from QuickBooks, where it's currently stored, into a format that Excel can understand and manipulate. Now that you've chosen to export data, the next step involves determining the format of the export. You'll be presented with a couple of options here, but since we're aiming to work with Excel, you'll want to look for the option labeled Export to Excel. Click on this option. By doing so, QuickBooks will work its magic and get all the necessary information prepared for you in an Excel-friendly format. Throughout this process, QuickBooks ensures that all of your data is compiled accurately, so you don't need to worry about missing or incomplete information. However, if you do encounter any trouble or unexpected results, you can always retrace your steps or reach out to QuickBooks support for assistance. That's it, a simple series of clicks, and your QuickBooks data is now all set to be analyzed and manipulated in Excel. With your data securely in Excel, you can start creating informative graphs, detailed reports, or whatever suits your analytical needs best. I hope you found this guide useful, and it helps you streamline your workflow effectively. Remember, exporting your data is not just about creating backups, but also about enhancing your ability to leverage powerful tools like Excel for better insights and business decisions. Thanks for following along, and do share this video if you think it could help someone else understand the process just a little bit better.